Hello food lovers, you are welcome back to my channel today. From the title, you know we're going to be cooking and butchering goat heads, and I am here to show you an easy way to do it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to wash the goat's heads with lime or salt. After that, you boil the heads and I let it cook for like an hour and 30 minutes. So I let it get cold, and now it is ready to be butchered. So usually when the goat is killed, the goat head is like divided into two. The jaws are like broken apart. So this is one half and the other half as well. So yeah, you can see what it looks like. So the first thing you want to do is to slit the skin on its head with a knife, and you would easily pull the skin off if you have cooked the head to be tender enough. So we're just going to pull out the skin. After you've pulled out as much skin as you can, it's to use a knife and cut off the ears. So after you've cut off the ears, you can easily pull out the skin around the ears as well. When it comes to using this goat's head, it can be very tricky because there are like a lot of parts you also need to remove. I'm sorry I didn't get this very well on camera, but like there's a part that looks like it has scales around the jaw area. You need to cut them off. You shouldn't eat that. And mind you, anything you're not comfortable with, just remove it, jeje. Okay, so you're going to slit the ears, and you're going to see these black things I'm showing you on the screen now. You need to wash that off. Wash off the black it looks like nylon when you're washing it off, or it feels like nylon. So yeah, after that you can chop up the skin. So to the tongue now, you're going to drag out the tongue. You guys, the tongue of the goat is very sweet, but the first layer you see, yes, this one I'm showing you right now, you actually have to scrape it off with a knife. If it's a bit difficult for you, you can throw the whole thing away, but the tongue is sweet, sha. So yeah, that's about it. You just continue that process for all the goat heads you have. And yeah, it's time to get the brain of the goat. So you would need a mortar and pestle to break this apart, to break the head apart, to break the skull apart. What am I saying? To break the skull apart, and then you're going to pick some more meat, and then you're going to get the brain as well. As a little child, my mom used to tell me that if I don't eat this goat's meat, this thing, that I wasn't going to be intelligent anymore, because the brain of the goat enters there and it helps children's brains and all of that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to explain this properly to you all. And let me know if you use this method of butchering. The goat head recipe is going to come up next. So if you're still a bit confused, maybe you're non-Nigerian or you're Nigerian and you haven't seen this before, then just chill, calm down, okay? The main video is coming where you're going to see the sumptuous delicacy that this goat head is being turned into. So that's the goat head and the brain displayed on the screen. If you have any questions, ask away in the comment sections. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.